How to play Mortal Kombat Mobile online with friends. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first install Mortal Kombat Mobile online in your phone. Simply open your Play Store and then search for Mortal Kombat. Now this is the one that you would be looking for. After finding the application and installing it, launch the application. After launching, simply make or create an account, or if you already have an account, log in. After that, you will get an option of adding friends, and then if the friends that you sent request accept your request to play with them, you will be able to play the game with your friends. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.